Hey guys, Andy Demi here again. Hope you're well. Hope you're having a good day. So, I want to speak about the pandemic and the coronavirus because right now a lot of people are panicking, and I know here in the UK, the government is supporting a lot of people with their income situation, but I also speak to quite a lot of people that are not getting that support. For different reasons, okay? Maybe they haven't been in self-employment for long enough to be able to get that. And, you've got a lot of jobs that are now not active and people are panicking. And, they're looking at things like trading as a saviour. Now, I want to kind of address this, because there's a lot of stuff out there on trading which kind of promotes the get rich quick stuff where you can just simply follow some signals or just make quick easy money, okay, from the comfort of your own home. Just turn on your computer and just make money. Look, I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but that's not the reality, okay? That's very unlikely to happen immediately. Now, in my experience, if you want to succeed at trading, you need to put some work in. You need to get educated, firstly. You need to have a trade plan. You need to have some capital, and you need to be in a position where you can take some calculated risks. So how long does that take? Well, in my experience, if you have the right mentoring, that should take you about 2 to 3 months where you can be in a position where you can start to make a profit. Now, that's not guaranteed. So you cannot go into trading looking for a guaranteed income, okay? Because that doesn't exist, and sometimes it can take people a lot longer than just a few months to succeed at this. Now, having said that, I do think that when something like this happens, of course there's a lot of negativity around it, but there's also opportunity. It's a really great opportunity to be learning a new skill. So if you're interested in learning how to trade, for example, this is a great time for many of you because you have a lot more time than you normally would. So it's a great time, to actually do the learning, take your time, build the knowledge, build a trade plan, start practicing, and then look to make an income from trading. Because for most people, they wouldn't normally have this time. Now, of course, you need to have some type of investment, but, if you need help with this, please feel free to reach out to me. We do have programs that can help you, and we have free programs. We also have programs with long payment plans in order to basically help you acquire the knowledge, but without having to pay a large sum of money, which obviously at this stage is difficult for a lot of people. So another way of learning is also to use forums and to use websites like Baby Pips. There's a lot of great free information. So if you just want to kind of just learn a little bit right now, not really kind of go into it in depth, then I recommend something like Baby Pips. There's a lot of great free information there, which will teach you some of the basic concepts of trading. And then when you want to get to that next level, you do need a professional mentor to help you. Okay, I hope that helps, but the key point I want to basically say in this message is don't waste your time. Use this time because you're not going to ever probably have a scenario like this. You have time to learn. So if it's not trading, whatever it is for you, use that time and learn, because you can acquire skills that can really serve you in the long run that maybe normally you'd be too busy for. Okay guys, hope it helps. Have a great day. Take care. All the best.